This is Rosmos and this is the Portulaca. These two small flowers that can make your garden look bright and beautiful. After 3 years of testing and learning, we finally found 4 amazing DIY Rosmos ideas that need very little money, little time and little effort, but give your garden big beauty and fresh look. And today I will show you the best 4 designs that will make your garden look perfect.
Wow! To find these ideas, we watched many tutorials, tested many styles, and checked what works best for home gardens. It gives more color, more charm, and more beauty to your garden. We tested, we tried, and we trusted nature. How do you decorate your garden with these 4 incredible DIY Rosmos design? So, let's begin this beautiful journey, a journey of flower, friendship, and fresh ideas. Let's decorate our garden with love, light, and Rosmos. Before we begin our DIYs, let us know our friend the Rosmos, also called Portulaca grandiflora, easy growing plant that bloom in every pore soil. It's perfect for Bangladesh and other warm places. Why we love Rosmos? It blooms daily with bright colors. It needs less water. It loves sunshine. If you want to see my Rosmos plants looked before this decoration, click the I button on your screen. Now let's begin our first idea, the magical bond. This design is called magical bond. It's where Rosmos branches united together, just like friendship in nature. Step 1. Choose a few long, soft branches from different plants. Step 2. Remove a few bottom leaves and gather them side by side. Step 3. Twist or braid them together gently, not too tight. Step 4. Tie them softly with a thin thread or garden wire. Step 5. Plant the bound branches in moist soil and water lightly.
This result is after 7 days. Let's enjoy.
After a few days, they will connect and start growing together, turning into a magical living bond of color and life. Pro tip: Keep them in full sunlight for 5 to 6 hours daily. Add a few drops of compost water every week for brighter blooms. When they flower together, you will see red, yellow, and pink blooms mixed like paint strokes on green canvas. Now let's move together with our second idea, the half ring design. Step 1. Take a wide round pot. Step 2. Mark a half circle on the line of soil like a rainbow's lower arc. Step 3. Plant rose moss of different colors along that curve.
Wow!
Step 4. Add small pebbles or white stone around it for a clean look. Step 5. Water lightly and let the sun do the magic. In 2 to 3 weeks, you will see a living half ring of flowers, soft, colorful, and perfectly carved. It looks lovely on balconies, doorways, and as a table centerpiece. Care tips: keep trimming branches that grow outside the shape. Use sandy soil for drainage. Avoid heavy watering. Now we move to something artistic. Our third DIY, rose moss bonsai. This design is called Mini Bonsai Beauty. Rose moss may be small, but with patience you can shape it to look like a tiny flowering bonsai tree. Step 1. Choose a thick woody stem rose moss plant. Step 2. Remove the lower leaf and branches. Keep only the top crown. Step 3. Use a thin stick to support it upright. Step 4. Plant it in a shallow pot with sandy soil.
Wow!
Now I am doing same work again. This result is after 7 days. Add more branches to make it more beautiful and smart. This result is after 2 weeks. Let's enjoy. You can give any shape, whatever you want. It is harder than other 3, but it is most beautiful.
Step 5. Trim gently every week to maintain the tree shape. In a few weeks, you will see a miniature tree covered in the bright blooms. It looks peaceful, balanced, and perfect for tabletops or study corner. Pro tip: add tiny stone or moss at the base to give it a real bonsai look. Keep it near sunlight and water only when the soil feels dry. This idea shows how beauty doesn't need size, only care and creativity. And now our final idea, something soft, sweet and special. The Rose Moss Bouquet. Our last design is the Rose Moss Bouquet. It's simple, elegant and brings garden beauty right into your home. Step 1. Choose freshly bloomed rose moss flowers, different colors if possible. Step 2. Cut them with a little stem. Step 3. Arrange them like a bouquet. Mix short or long stem. Step 4. Tie them softly with a ribbon or a thread. Step 5. Keep them in a small vessel or a glass of water. These flowers may last for a day or two, but they fill your space with calm, color and freshness. You can also use dried rose moss for art, pressing or resin decoration. Pro tip: use cool water and keep the bouquet near sunlight for short display. Simple, colorful and full of natural charm. This bouquet is perfect for gifting or daily home decor. Benefits and care. Before we end, let's look at the uses and benefit of rose moss. Uses: great for border pots and hanging basket. Works perfectly in DIY art. Ideal for sunny corner and balcony. Benefits: blooms fast with little care, needs less water, attract butterfly and bees, helps reduce soil dryness, regrow easily from cutting. Care tips: give 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily, water only when soil feels dry, use sandy, well-draining soil, remove old flowers to get new blooms. Rose moss is truly a flower of hope, harmony and happiness. So today we explored 4 easy and beautiful rose moss DIYs: magical bond, half ring, mini bonsai, rose moss bouquet. Just watch and try them in your own garden. They are super easy and your space will shine with color and calm. If you want to see how my rose moss looked before these ideas, please click the I button on your screen. Thank you so much for watching Garden Glows. And yes, this video is autodubbed. You can change the language anytime. Arabic, Bangla, Dutch, French, German, Hebrew, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Malayalam, Polish, Portuguese, Punjabi, Russian, Spanish, Tamil, Telugu, or Ukrainian, right from your setting. If this video gave you peace or inspiration, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay green, stay glowing, and let your garden bloom with love.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.